Hello everyone, I'm grateful for the overwhelming support you have shown on my previous video where I shared the reason of losing confidence and the importance of confidence in our life. And today I'm excited to share the solution of each of these reasons. Number 1. Lack of confidence due to negative feedback and criticism. Solution is simple yet powerful. Accept yourself as you are. To achieve this, start recognizing your strength. Write yourself an appreciation letter and celebrate even the smallest victories. Confidence eroded by failure and setback. When you fail, it's an opportunity to learn and grow. Evaluate your mistake and adjust your strategies accordingly. For instance, if you fail in entrance exam, don't repeat the same strategy. Success comes when you adapt and change your approach. Number 3. Comparing yourself to others. Practicing daily mirror activity can help you to appreciate yourself for who you are without comparing others. Number 4. Lack of confidence due to past trauma or bullying. Healing is the key. Various techniques like EFT, Sedona, Ho'oponopo, journaling, healing therapy, chakra balancing meditation, and many more. I'll delve into this method in detail in my next video. Number 5. Struggling with perfectionism. The one and only solution for perfectionism is taking action. The more you act, the more you accept and improve yourself. Remember, learning without action is futile. Stay tuned for my next video where I delve deeper into this solution. Please comment below and share your thoughts and let me know if you have implemented any of these strategies. Always remember, the real transformation happens when you put these ideas into action. So take that first step and begin your journey towards greater confidence. All the best.